Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your POCO M6. So first, what we want to do is we want to check the volume levels in the settings. So let's quickly unlock our phone, go over to the settings, and right here, we need to scroll a bit down until we see sound and vibration. Now in here, we need to make sure that our media volume is turned up at max. We don't care about the ringtone or alarm, because media and call volume is what we need. Basically, you cannot change the call volume in these settings, but you can change it while being in a call with somebody. So try test calling someone, either your friend, family member, just for a second to turn this volume up. After that, if there's still no signs of speaker working, try and clean the speaker grill located at the bottom right here to make sure that it's clean and that the sound is getting through that. Now after that, what you guys want to do is go over to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth in the settings is disabled to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So for example, your headphones, your car, or basically anything. Now after that, what you guys can do is try and update your software. So go over to About Phone and click on HyperOS or Update. And as you guys can see, I have an update available to Xiaomi HyperOS 2. And if you update your software, then there's a big chance that your glitch will be fixed, because it's always fixed in the latest updates. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.